In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a VLOOKUP using Airtable. This process can greatly simplify your data management and help you extract valuable insights with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into Airtable and arrive at your home page. Here, all your bases or projects are neatly displayed, making it easy to access your data. With your workspace in view, identify the specific project where you want to perform the VLOOKUP. Click on the workspace of your choice to open it. This is your first step towards integrating more dynamic data connections. Upon entering the workspace, direct your attention to the top of the interface where a drop-down menu is prominently located. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a set of options. These are your tools for editing and managing the data fields within your chosen project. Now, locate and select the Edit field option. This step lets you adjust the structure of your database and set the stage for linking records. Within the Editing field mode, there's another drop-down you should click on. This secondary menu offers advanced functionalities to enhance your dataset. Among the options here, choose the one that says Link to another record. This feature is pivotal as it allows you to connect data from various tables, much like the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Once you've selected Link to another record, a list of tables will appear. These tables contain the records you can link to your current workspace. Here, you'll want to specifically look for and click on the Stocks Level table. This table presumably holds the data that you want to integrate with your current workspace, playing a crucial role in formulating your VLOOKUP. After selecting the Stocks Level table, your changes need to be saved to take effect. So, the next important action is to click Save. This ensures that your new link between tables is established and ready for use. Following this, you will have an option to add lookup fields. These fields are instrumental in pulling in specific pieces of information from the linked records. With lookup fields, viewing comprehensive data from multiple tables becomes seamless and interactive. To proceed, select the Add One Fields button. This action allows you to choose which specific data from the linked records should be displayed in your current project. And there you have it. All the steps to successfully execute a VLOOKUP using Airtable. With these interconnected records, navigating through complex datasets becomes a much smoother process. You now have a powerful tool at your disposal to streamline data management and improve the efficiency of your workflows. Thank you for watching, and happy data managing.